In this video, I will be telling you guys how to add a watermark to your video, whether it's on Capcut or any other way. So I'll be telling you guys how to use an overlay feature in order to add a watermark to your videos, and I'll be specifically using the Capcut version. So all you have to do is to import your whole project in the dashboard. And once you are in the dashboard, what you have to do is to upload a logo. For example, for the educational and tutorial purposes, I'm using a YouTube logo for over here. So once you have uploaded the YouTube logo, just go to the basic option in the video, and in the video, just go to the opacity, which is under the blend. So make sure you put it to 20-30% over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it overlays the whole project. So now you guys can see that the watermark is over here. You can adjust it where you want to put it. So it totally depends upon you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.